Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal, and as you all know, Diwali is just around the corner, so I created this low ponytail hairstyle that you can wear on every single outfit, whether it's ethnic or western. So let's start the video. So for the hairstyle, take some hair from the center top and twist it little from the back and push it to the front to add some volume. And now secure it with the bobby pin. Now grab the right side of the hair and twist it and pull out some hair of it. And secure it with the bobby pin on the other side. If you are taking right side of the hair, then you have to take it to the left and secure it in place. Now grab the left side of hair and twist the strand and take it to the right side and secure it with the bobby pin. And if you want to know how I'm using bobby pin to hide it completely, then you can check out my detailed video about how to use bobby pins so that they are not seen. I will put the link in the description. You can simply click on that. And you have to do this process taking strand from right to left and left to right till you reach the end. And at the end, take a small strand and wrap it around the ponytail and secure it with the pins. And that's it. So try out this hairstyle and let me know how it's turned out. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.